quick a quick update on the current price action. Right now we're still fairly high in price. I think that within the next 2 weeks, or probably even this week, if we can stay above the weekly open, which is at this week's open is at 18,463. The longer we can stay above this weekly open, the higher the chances of price breaking through this $19,000 level. I think from 19,000 it's a clean trade straight through from here straight to all-time high. There's not much resistance that's slowing us down. So I do think, although like price is chopping around in this area, although price is chopping around in, let me highlight the area because I realized although price is chopping here, it'll still, as long as price is trading in this zone, like it's ping-ponging between 17.4 and 19,000, we're in good position to continue up. Sorry, that sounded like a lot, but let's get this off the chart. Right. There we go. So, I mean, for the past couple of weeks, I've been thinking myself like, yo, this shit has to slow down. This shit is coming down. This shit is coming down. But it doesn't seem like it's coming down. So I'm going to take that shit out my head and stop trying to trade this from somewhat of a bearish standpoint. I think I'm just fully bullish because this shit does not want to come down. And if it does come down, it gets bought up. Like, look at this dip. We had a dip from 18,005 to 17.2. It got bought up. Same thing. Every single dip. This dip here, 19,000 to 17.7. Bought up in the blink of an eye. This dip, the most previous dip, where we are right now, from 18.9 to 18.2. The dip is getting bought up. So I think it's safe to say until we lose I would not be looking to short this until we get below 17,200. Right? I think that's the safe bet. Looking at price action right now, the target for me is 18,689. We might have a little pullback and then we bounce off the weekly open. From the weekly open straight to this long target. Clean trade. I'm actually in a trade already here. I'm going to show you. Profit is definitely probably, hold on, I'm switching my screen right now. Wait, hold on. Hold on 1 second. So here we are now. So I'm in this trade. My entry was 18,400. Well, let me make sure you guys are seeing. All right, so here I am. I'm in this trade. 18,408. So my entry. Let's make it big. So my entry's all the way down. Like I got in before this move up. So I'm currently up 68%. I mean, I'm looking to take profit at the next resistance, which is at 18,689. So until we get here, I won't come out of this position until we come out of this position 689. Yeah. So we still got some ways to go. I'm looking to take at least $800 off, $800 in profit off this trade, but it doesn't necessarily have to play out that way. It could come down, but let's see. So usually after a move up, we have a little pullback and then a higher move up. So I'm expecting another move up in the near future to take us to 689, possibly even 18,900. If we get below the weekly open, I'll probably just take profit because they'll probably like come back all the way down here. I don't want to wait it out. I've been in this trade all day. Um, yeah, but let's look at Bybit. So I mean, I don't usually use. Wow, every time I do something on. I'm sorry if my screen went blank. Let me fix this right now. Hold on. My apologies, people. So as long as price moves the way it's moving, we should go up, and I'm not worried. I'm looking to, as I said before, take at least $800 profit from this trade. I mean, I would stay here. Let's do it live. Let's just see it. Let's see how far it'll pump. I personally would like price to sell off a little bit, just because like I'm not used to seeing price this high, and I really want to get a chance to trade. This was my first parabolic move up, so like trading it was definitely different from the past 2 years for sure. So like I wish we could come down a little, and then we get a chance to refill the bag. Right now, I mean, it still looks good. Hold on, I gotta close the screen. Sorry, I have to keep changing the screen with the software that I'm using to stream. So we're getting a push back up. So yeah, as I said, I think this is bullish and we should be seeing all-time high. If not this week, next week for sure. And then from there, I think we'll have like an intense sell-off. But for now, we'll just keep it there, and then I'll update y'all on the current trade that I'm in once I take profit and once we hit where we need to go.